I've got my new toy, the steak ager. Got a ribeye roast and a tenderloin roast, been aging for over 2 weeks. I'm gonna trim some of this mold that's been growing on here that is perfectly fine off, and then I'm gonna cut the slices that I wanna use tonight for dinner. All right, we're gonna bake it up and season up. Salt and pepper. Both sides. Fresh rosemary, fresh thyme. Put these bad boys on the big green egg. We're gonna get them to about 130 internal temperature and pull them off. Took these off at 110, we're gonna tent them. I'm gonna throw them on the cast iron with some butter, garlic, thyme, and rosemary. Butter, garlic, rosemary, thyme. We're gonna baste these for about a minute aside. All right, check this out. 2 weeks, dry aged steak ager. Unbelievable. Now we assemble. Blue cheese dressing on a romaine boat, some red onion, bacon bits, Parmesan cheese crisps, and some beautiful ribeye, dry aged 14 days. Enjoy. You kidding me?